Good morning, and today I'll be showing you how to give the best prompt to ChatGPT so you can get the best answer which you were looking for. So, first, let us start with this. Let's say that can you write an email? Now, if you write this, it's not going to give you a proper result. It's going to ask you who is the recipient, what is the purpose of the email. So, you're going to have to give it some context on what the email should be. So, let's say, can you write an email to my friend stating that my holidays are about to get over. See, so now it's giving you an email, okay? It's saying, hi, friend's name. I hope this email finds you well. I wanted to drop you a quick note to let you know that my holidays are just about wrapping up. Alright, so now he has given us an email which is uh, telling that his holidays are about to get over. But now, this is not exactly what I want. What I want is this. Can you write an email to my friend stating that my holidays, or let's say my holidays are about to get over, and my vacation in Dubai was extremely great. See, now if I write this, it's just going to add that the vacation in Dubai was good and then I had a lot of fun there. But then now, instead of again and again for each response, I'm giving it a different prompt. Instead of that, what I can just do is I can give it all of the prompt at once, and the details, like the minor details, if I add that with the next prompt, then that will be more focused and it will give something which is more tailored to what I want. So I can say, which was extremely great. This email should be an informal email. And now for the minor change, I could, yeah, see, so what he said, I've had a blast exploring, mention a couple of specific places like the Burj Khalifa and the desert safari. So now it's telling that we had done some things in Dubai for the vacation. But now this email is extremely short and the friend will not be satisfied from this. So instead, what we can do is we can tell it, make the same email, sorry, make the email at least 150 to 300 words. Yes. See, now this email is way more bigger or larger than the email which we had gotten before. Now, this will have a bit more of context of what was actually being done. But now, this is not from, like, this is from our perspective, like what we have told it to do. But the thing is, if you give ChatGPT a persona, which means that, like, as if ChatGPT himself is writing to his own friend, then it will give an even better response, even if you try it for any other thing. For example, let's say you try it for making a diet plan, or you make use it for making a timetable, because it will know what is the best area you can improve on and what is the best area you should do. So I will take the exact same prompt. Where is it? Yes. So I'm going to copy paste it here. I'm going to say, you are writing an email to your friend stating that your holidays are about to get over and your vacation in Dubai was extremely great. This email should be an informal email consisting of 150, let's say 200 to 300 words. Alright. Yes, so it's starting off with I hope you're doing well. I just wanted to let you know that my holidays are wrapping up and I'm getting ready to head back home. It feels like this vacation in Dubai flew by in the blink of an eye. I've watched the most amazing time here. It's been a total dream come true. See, now ChatGPT is also using idioms. Idioms is something which you say a sentence but it actually means something else. So, in this way, if you use it for any single prompt, for any type of task you want to give ChatGPT, if you give it a persona and if you give it some context, if you give it an example of what you want to really happen, then it will give you the exact perfect response of what you were looking for. Now, let's say, for example, we did not go for a desert safari, so we can remove the riding over the dunes, we can cancel this, and then again, it will be exactly how we want it. So, thank you, and I hope you learned something new.